Graphic design shapes our world in ways we often overlook. It's the silent force that influences our decisions, captures our attention, and communicates messages across the globe. It's the invisible hand that guides our eyes, leading us to perceive, understand, and interact with the world in a specific way. In the digital age, graphic design has become more important than ever. It's the backbone of branding, the soul of advertising, and the voice of communication. It enables businesses to express their identity, convey their message, and connect with their audience. Graphic design is not just about creating pretty pictures. It's about solving problems, telling stories, and creating experiences. It's about transforming abstract ideas into tangible visuals, complex messages into simple graphics, and mundane objects into memorable logos. In today's competitive market, good graphic design can make the difference between success and failure. It can help businesses stand out from the crowd, capture the attention of their target market, and leave a lasting impression. But creating effective designs is not easy. It requires creativity, skill, and the right tools. It's like painting a masterpiece, writing a novel, or composing a symphony. It requires the right brush, the right pen, or the right instrument. In the world of graphic design, these tools are graphic design software. Graphic design software is the canvas of the digital artist, the typewriter of the visual storyteller, and the palette of the color magician. It's the tool that brings ideas to life, turns concepts into visuals, and dreams into designs. It's the key to unlocking the power of graphic design. To create impactful and eye-catching designs, one needs the right tools. Let's delve into the world of graphic design software. Adobe Illustrator, a vector-based design software, is the first stop in our graphic design software tour. This powerhouse of design is the go-to tool for many designers, and for good reason. Its functionality is as vast as your creativity allows, making it an essential part of any designer's toolkit. Let's delve into what makes Adobe Illustrator a designer's best friend, starting with its primary feature: vector art creation. Unlike raster graphics that can become pixelated when scaled up, vector graphics are made up of paths. These paths allow for smooth lines and shapes no matter how much you choose to scale your design. This makes Illustrator ideal for creating logos that might need to be resized for various applications, from business cards to billboards, without losing any quality. But Illustrator's capabilities don't stop at logos. Its comprehensive toolkit allows for an array of design tasks. Create custom typography for unique branding, or manipulate text in any way you see fit. The software's typography tools are top-notch, giving you control over every aspect of your text, from kerning to line height and everything in between. Illustrator also shines in its ability to create complex illustrations. With its advanced drawing tools, you can create intricate designs with precision and ease. Need to design a detailed infographic or a sleek icon set? Illustrator's got you covered. The software's pen tool, shape tools, and color options make it easy to create beautiful, detailed illustrations. Another standout feature of Illustrator is its layering system. This allows you to manage every component of your design separately, providing a level of control and flexibility that's hard to beat. You can experiment with different elements, adjust them individually, and see how they come together to form your final design. In conclusion, Adobe Illustrator, with its powerful tools, is a graphic designer's dream, perfect for creating crisp, detailed, and scalable designs. Its capabilities reach far beyond simple vector art creation, offering a comprehensive design solution that can tackle any project, big or small. Whether you're designing a logo, creating custom typography, or crafting detailed illustrations, Adobe Illustrator is the tool for you. Next on our list is Photoshop, Adobe's pixel-based design and photo editing software. A veritable magic wand in the world of design, Photoshop is a tool that can turn the mundane into the extraordinary, the ordinary into the sublime. It's a platform that allows for a level of precision and control that's simply unparalleled, making it a favorite among professionals in the field. At the heart of Photoshop's prowess is its robust photo editing capabilities. With a vast array of tools and features at your disposal, you can transform a simple photograph into a work of art. You can adjust colors, fix blemishes, add filters, and so much more. It gives you the power to tweak and tune every minute detail, creating the perfect image in line with your vision. But Photoshop is more than just a photo editor. It's also a powerful platform for digital painting. With a full suite of brushes, textures, and painting tools, you can create stunning digital artworks that are as intricate and detailed as traditional paintings. From concept art to character designs, Photoshop provides the canvas for your creativity to run wild. And let's not forget about graphic design. Photoshop is a powerhouse in this domain as well. Whether you're designing logos, creating web graphics, or crafting social media posts, Photoshop offers a wide range of tools to help you create eye-catching designs. It's all about layering elements, blending colors, and manipulating shapes to bring your ideas to life. Photoshop truly is a magic wand for designers, a tool that can transform ideas into visual realities. It's a platform that combines precision with flexibility, allowing you to create designs that are both intricate and impactful. It's a tool that gives you the freedom to experiment, to push boundaries, and to create something truly unique. And the best part, Photoshop is a tool that's always evolving, always improving, always adding new features to help you create even more stunning visuals. It's a tool that's designed to grow with you, to adapt to your needs, and to help you push the boundaries of what's possible in design. Photoshop gives designers the ability to create stunning visuals and manipulate images with ease and precision. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a budding designer, Photoshop is a magic wand that can help you create designs that are as stunning as they are impactful. Adobe InDesign, the go-to software for layout design, is next in line. If you've ever wondered how those sleek magazines, compelling brochures, and professional reports come to life, the secret lies in this design marvel. InDesign's main claim to fame is its unparalleled layout design capabilities. It's the tool of choice for graphic designers when it comes to creating multi-page documents or projects that require a precise layout. With InDesign, you can seamlessly manage pages and spreads, apply master pages for consistent layout design, and even create interactive digital publications. It's like having a magic wand that lets you arrange elements on a page exactly how you want them, with precision and ease. But it doesn't stop at layout design. InDesign also excels in handling typography. It offers a robust set of tools for type manipulation. You can play around with fonts, adjust line spacing, tweak letter kerning, or create beautiful typography art. It's a playground where typographers can let their creativity run wild while still maintaining the highest level of precision. And let's not forget about print publishing. InDesign was born for this. It allows you to create documents in a variety of sizes, from small business cards to large billboards and everything in between. It ensures that the colors you see on your screen are the colors you get in print. It's all about giving you the power to create print-ready documents that look as good on paper as they do on your screen. But what sets InDesign apart is its unique ability to create professional layouts for both print and digital media. Whether you're designing a print magazine, an interactive PDF, or a digital ebook, InDesign has you covered. It's a versatile tool that adapts to your needs, making it a favorite among graphic designers worldwide. InDesign is a layout powerhouse perfect for creating polished layouts for both print and digital media. It's not just a software, it's a game changer in the world of design. A tool that empowers you to turn your creative visions into reality, one layout at a time. So, are you ready to master the art of layout design with Adobe InDesign? Let's shift gears to Canva, a user-friendly design tool that's perfect for beginners. Picture this: a platform where creativity meets simplicity, where you can bring your visions to life without the need for an advanced degree in graphic design. That's Canva for you. Canva's a treasure trove of design possibilities. At its core, it's a drag-and-drop interface that allows you to move elements around with ease. Want to add a splash of color? Just drag it in. Need a catchy headline? Drop it right where you want it. The design process is as simple as point, click, drag, drop, and voila. You are a designer. But Canva's charm doesn't stop there. It is a powerhouse of pre-made templates that cater to every need. Whether you are crafting social media posts, designing flyers for your next gig, or creating eye-catching presentations, Canva has a template for you. The beauty of these templates is they take the guesswork out of design. You don't need to worry about layout or typography. Canva's experts have done the hard work for you. Now, let's talk about Canva's design tools. They are so easy to use that even the most technologically challenged among us can create stunning visuals. With Canva's tools at your disposal, you can add filters to images, play around with fonts, tweak colors, and much more. And the best part, it's all just a click away. Canva's unique ability to create attractive designs quickly and easily is a game changer. It is a tool that embraces your creativity, boosts your confidence, and empowers you to design like a pro. It's a tool that doesn't just make design possible, it makes design fun. So whether you're a seasoned designer looking for a quick fix or a novice trying to find your footing in the world of design, Canva is your go-to platform. It's not just a tool, it's a playground for creativity. Canva, with its user-friendly interface and vast template library, makes design accessible to everyone. We've covered some of the most powerful graphic design software available today. Each of them, a titan in its own right, has contributed to the vibrant landscape of graphic design. Firstly, we discussed Adobe Photoshop, the undisputed king of raster graphics editing. Its unique feature, layering, allows for complex and intricate designs with ease. Photoshop's advanced color manipulation and texture editing capabilities make it an enticing tool for any designer looking to create realistic imagery. Secondly, we explored Adobe Illustrator, the vector master. Illustrator's pen tool enables designers to create clean, scalable graphics. Its ability to create intricate logos or detailed illustrations with precision and control is unmatched, truly making it a designer's best friend. Then we delved into CorelDRAW, known for its robust layout and typography tools. It's a powerhouse for creating multi-page design projects. Its unique feature, the Live Sketch tool, takes sketching to a new level, allowing designers to work in a more organic and intuitive way. Next, we examined Sketch. This user-friendly design tool is a favorite among UI/UX designers. Its artboard feature, which allows designers to preview designs in multiple screen sizes simultaneously, is a game changer for responsive design. Last but not least, we looked at Canva. With its drag-and-drop functionality and vast library of templates, it's a brilliant tool for beginners and professionals alike. Its collaboration feature, which allows multiple users to work on a design in real time, makes team projects a breeze. Each of these powerhouses contributes to the diverse needs of the design world. From creating complex photo manipulations to designing responsive interfaces, from crafting multi-page layouts to quick social media graphics, there's a tool for every task. However, let's not forget that these tools are just that, tools. They are means to an end, not the end themselves. Choosing the right software depends on your design needs, but remember, it's not the tool that makes the designer but how you use it. Happy designing!